All right, welcome back. So the last section, the 5-5 section, you guys were looking at input-output tables and then graphing the results. And if you had, and with those results that you got the last section, you would have been able to find the rate of change, how quickly it's rising or falling, and be able to figure out what is called the slope of the line. The slope is the rate of change. And slope is defined as the rise over the run, all right? They're the saying rise over run, how quickly it rises up and then moves left or right, okay? Vertical means rise or jump. Horizontal is your run, okay? So the y, how quickly it moves up the y-axis over how quickly it runs across the x-axis, all right? So when looking for the slope, you start with your point. So the point here is -2, -1. And we want to find out how quickly it got to -4, 3. So if you take the up, so if you go from -1 all the way up to +3, it moved a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 4 times to get right here. All right? So 4 times to get here. Then how quickly it ran is as well, it went left, so it went negatively from -2 to -4. So 1, 2 left. So 4 up, 2 left is going to be a +4 because you're going positively up. And you went left, which is negative, so -2. So 4 divided by -2 is going to be -2. So my slope, or m, is -2. So we started at -2 and went up to +3, which is moving it 4 places up. Then we went from -2 on the x-axis and went to -4 on the x-axis. So we went 2 left, which is -2. We went negative direction. So if you go up, you're going positive. If you go right, you're going positive. But if you go down, you're going negative. And if you go left, you're going negative. Okay? So let's look at the next one. So the next one, you've got similar situation where we have a point, and that point is -3, -3. But then we go up 2 and to the right 3. And then if you wanted to go again, you'd be able to plot another point by going up 2 over 3. Okay? So the next point on the line, by using that, would have been up 2 would have been to +1 on the y, over to positive, then we would have went 1, 2, 3. So it would be 3, 1 would be the next point on this line using the slope 2, 3. So we went up 2 to the right 3, so we're going positive both ways. So we have a positive slope of 2, 3, or of 2 over 3. Okay? So you're going positively. So if your slope is going up and right, it's going to be a positive slope. But if your slope is down or to the left in any way, then it's going to be a negative slope. Okay? So, looking at the last one. Looking at the last one, you've got a point here, which is, you want to be able to plot a line using the point. Okay, so our slope, using this point here, right here, -3, 2, all right, that's our point that we're plotting first. From there, we're going to use the slope. The slope is -3 over 4, or -3/4. Now, does that mean that we go up 3 and down 4, or to the left 4? Or does that mean that we go down 3 and to the right 4? It doesn't matter. Okay? With this slope, -3/4, you can go up 3 and left 4, or you can go down 3 and to the right 4. Either one, it will not matter, because either way, it's still a negative slope. Okay? That is still a negative slope no matter which direction you go. So starting at negative 3, comma 2, we are going to go up 3 and left 4 to negative 6, positive 5. Or we can go down 3 to the right 4, and we would end up getting 1 comma negative 1. Whichever one that you plotted would be right, because all 3 of these are on this same line. Okay? So, attempt the problems on the back. Come in with any questions you might have, and I'll try to make it more clear.